This is weekly recap of Trading Week, January 10th, 14th. All stocks you see in this table were analyzed on my YouTube channel. 27 stock analysis, 22 trades, 17 profitable. Let's look at every trade. Started with WOOF. Almost all trades were short trades because of short sentiment on the market. Beautiful breakout of the level. Entry almost immediately after gap down, and position was exited after huge momentum to the next support. Next stock GOEV, breakout of the local low, closing first 5-minute candle confirmed direction, and then short position was entered after retest of the level. 20 cents take profit. Next stock is SKLZ. Trend line, gap down and first 5-minute candle confirmed short direction. Position was entered after retest of the trend line. 20 cents take profit. Next stock is HYLN. Today's buyers could not break the resistance. Closing on first 5-minute candle confirmed the direction. Short position was entered on a pullback to the upside. 20 cents take profit. Next stock, Desktop Metal, beautiful range. First 5-minute candle broke the range and closed below it. Retest was a perfect entry point for a short trade. Only 10 cents take profit because I didn't like price action. Next stock, Plug. There was some kind of a wedge with a horizontal level at the bottom of this triangle formation. Price made a gap down and a quick movement to the downside, so I didn't have enough time to enter short position, but at the middle of the day market started making a reversal and Plug reversed within the market. So after this consolidation above the level, long position was entered and closed after 20 cents movement. Next stock is OPFI, ticker OPFI. This trade gave a loss. Beautiful triangle formation on a daily chart, but after breakout to the upside and consolidation above the level, price returned below. Stop loss 10 cents. Next stock is OTLY. This trade also gave a loss. Level 750. Price tried to retest this level and short position was entered after this candle with a tail. But then breakout followed and 10 cent stop loss was triggered. Next stock is HOUR, ticker HOUR. Beautiful range, level 6.26, breakout to the downside. After consolidation below the level, short position was entered. 20 cents take profit. Next stock is Ford. Breakout to the upside of a triangle formation, position was entered while the breakout 5-minute candle and closed after 20 cents movement. Next stock is ARVL. My long trade gave a loss. Consolidation was the day yesterday above 7.06. Long position entered after this false breakout green pin bar candle, but price returned below the level and several cents stop loss was triggered. Next stock is ROVR, ticker ROVR. Beautiful triangle formation to level 7.73. After breakout to the downside on a retest, this small green candle was a perfect entry point. I survived this pullback to the upside with a stop loss 10 cents, then price returned. Take profit 20 cents. Next stock is Peloton. That was yesterday on Friday. Plenty of trades. So level almost $32. First trade gave a loss. Price made a gap down, returned to the level, and on a retest of that level, short position was entered. But next level gave a candle with a long tail and stop loss was triggered. Next trade on Peloton was profitable because after my stop loss, 2 candles in a row closed below the level. That's why short position was re-entered, and after quick movement to the downside, position was closed. Next stock is Snapchat. Snapchat closed with a gap down below the level, then tried returned, and after second candle consolidation that cannot even made a false breakout, that was a clear limit sellers price action. Short position was entered as close to the level as possible, and after quick movement 40 cents to the downside, short position was closed. Next stock is DocuSign. Triangle formation to the level 131.50. Price opened with a gap down. As I expected, price tried to close the gap on a huge volume and established a choppiness. And only when 5-minute candles opened and closed below the level and didn't touch it, short position was entered. Next red 5-minute candle gave a movement $1 and short position was closed immediately. Next stock is BKKT. The same situation. Price opened below the important level, could not break it, and short position was entered. But after that, price returned above the level and stop loss 10 cents was triggered. Next stock, Victoria's Secret, ticker VSCO. After opening with a gap down, someone made a huge pump to the upside. That's a pattern situation. You can see many times such situations on a stock market. And after making several dollars movement, that's more than ATR, and appearing first red candle on a chart, short position was entered, expecting a quick move to the downside. But resistance at the whole number was rather huge, and only 30 cents take profit. Next stock is LTRY, ticker LTRY. Beautiful consolidation and triangle formation to the level 5.10. After breakout on this huge volume, price made a retest and consolidated below the level. At that moment, short position was entered and about only 10 cents movement was taken, because for this stock even 10 cents movement, that's a huge movement. And next stock, Hyliion again. So on Friday, Hyliion opened with a gap down below the level, made closing gap movement, failed to break the level, and short position was entered. And after 15 cents to the downside, short position was closed, because to make 20 cents for Hyliion right now, that's a huge task. And next stock is OTLY again, but at this time trade was profitable. The same level, so price closed with a gap down and steadily approached the level, closed under it, and established beautiful small magnitude consolidation. And after 3 candles below the level, short position was opened, and after 10 cents movement to the downside, position was closed, because I didn't like reversal after this low consolidation. Last trade, my lovely Zymergen. Trade was to the downside, of course. So after returning to the level and breaking, consolidating above it 3 candles in a row, short position was entered. I survived this pullback to the upside due to my stop loss 10 cents. Price made a pullback 9 cents, then returned below the level, and after 10 cents movement according to my entry point, position was closed with the profits. That's it. If you have questions, feel free ask me in the comments.